Making progress with Make Headway, understanding the phrase. Hello, English explorers. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, make headway. It's a term you might have heard in conversations, movies, or books, and it's quite handy in various contexts. So let's dive in and make headway in our English learning journey. Make headway means to make progress or move forward in what you're trying to achieve. It's often used when overcoming obstacles or moving towards a goal. The origin of this phrase comes from nautical terminology, referring to a ship's forward movement despite adverse conditions. Now, let's put make headway into action with some examples. Despite the tight deadline, we are making headway on the project. She's making headway in her recovery from the surgery. The negotiation team is finally making headway towards an agreement. If you want to mix things up, here are some synonyms for make headway: progress, advance, forge ahead, gain ground. Be careful not to confuse make headway with making a literal head move. It's metaphorical and relates to progress in situations, not physical movement. Great job today! You've not only learned a new phrase but have also made significant headway in understanding how to use it effectively. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using make headway like a pro in your conversations. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.